Okie dokie, this video I'm going to be explaining how to download a torrent file. First of all, you need a torrent client in order to download. You can have uTorrent or BitTorrent, and there's probably a few others, but the one I usually use is uTorrent. So just go to www.utorrent.com, and right here there's a button that says Get uTorrent. Click on this and you go to the free download. You don't really need that. So you click on that and it will download this. So you save this file, allow it to download, and then you double click it and you run this. Now I already have this on my computer, so I'm not going to run it, but you should. And so then you should have uTorrent. So here's what it looks like, minus all these. These are just stuff that I've downloaded or am currently downloading. So I'm using here version 3.2.3. So anyway, now in order to download something using this, you go to any website that has torrent. With Pirate Bay, you can use Demonoid, is not up anymore. The Pirate Bay is usually what I use. You can use whatever. And say you wanted to download a movie. I have no idea what movie you'd want to download. Let's say Madagascar. Okay, yeah. Let's just say you want to download this one. So you find that and you put torrent. And here's one, Madagascar 3, I guess. Well, yeah, let's say you want to download that one. And this is at the Pirate Bay. And so, in order to download something, it needs to have seeders. So if it doesn't have any seeders, don't download it, because you're not going to be able to get anything. And if there's more leechers, those are people that are downloading. These are people who are uploading. If there's more seeders than there are leechers, if there are more leechers than there are seeders, then you probably don't want to download it either, because your speed's going to be really slow. But this one looks good. It's got 3,471 people uploading and 164 people currently downloading. And this will change, over time. Some people stop uploading, some people finish downloading. Anyway, so all you have to do is go to Get This Torrent, where it has the little magnet, and you click on that. And it should say waiting for torrent information. Sometimes it takes a little while. For some reason, my computer always takes a little while to get this information. But this is where you want to save your torrent, anywhere. So I have it just saving in my download, so it just goes to the download folder like any other download would. And here's the name. And see, now it has the information, the files in here. And you can say, no, I don't want this file. Or, no, I don't want this. But of course you want that one. You might not want that. So you can say, oh, don't download this, just download this piece. And have that checked. You don't really need to worry about that. And I'm just going to check that. And do OK. And so it'll check it. And that's how big the file is right there. Oops. Okay. That's how big the file is. That's how fast it's downloading. That's download speed. This is the upload speed. This is your client will be uploading as you download. So all the stuff that you have is going to be uploading as well. And this is the time remaining for the download. See, I've already downloaded this much of this movie. And obviously with movies, the bigger the file, the better quality, sound quality, all that stuff. So this is decent. I don't actually want this, so I'm going to right click on it and go stop. And you can stop something and then go back and start down and continue downloading it later. You just right click again and press start. But I don't actually want that, so I'm going to go down, right click to remove and delete torrent and data. And just click OK, and now it's gone. When a torrent finishes downloading, it will start seeding, and that's when it's only uploading. And if you're downloading something illegally, which are most torrents are, just torrents in general are, you can have a torrent that is a legal file, but generally most people download who use torrents are downloading things illegally. And I don't see anything wrong with using a torrent and downloading illegally, because I disagree with a lot of copyright laws. But if you're against that, then just don't do it. And if you're afraid of getting caught, then don't do it. You're more likely to get caught uploading than downloading. So if you don't want to get caught, you probably want to, once it's finished, just press stop. Once it says finished, it'll change to seeding here, and you just right click and do stop. I've already stopped all these. And you can run multiple torrents at once. You can download multiple files at the same time. And it's a good way to download things. You can download some files pretty quickly. Over here I have BitTorrent open, and this is just like uTorrent. It's just slightly different. It's purple. It's just slightly different. And here's an active download. It's Tomb Raider, the game. And it's a pretty big file, but downloading at 2 megabytes per second and uploading at 1.4 megabytes per second, and this is the time remaining. And down here you see information that you probably don't care about, but it's nice to have. And yeah, that's pretty much all. And so when your file is done, you go to your downloads, computer, downloads, and it'll be there. This one's not done downloading, but the file still appears there. If it's not done, don't try to use it or play it or do whatever, because it's not going to be right. Yeah. So there you go. That's how to torrent in a nutshell. I may be making more videos that go further into it, but for now that's all you need to know to start doing it. I'll put the link to the download, the uTorrent download, in the description. Also have a link to BitTorrent, which is this one. It's pretty much the same thing. And also a link to the Pirate Bay if you want to search using the Pirate Bay is what I use. Thank you, and have a nice day.